Hi there, today I'm making a butter dish. So this is a two-part butter dish. The lid sits in an indentation on the rim of the dish. Similarly, you can make a cheese dish by making a larger version. The lid is made upside down, and once turned over and trimmed, clay is added and the handle is thrown on the leather hard form. I'm starting by making the lid. I take the first piece of clay and center. Now I'm going to flatten the clay, bringing it out to the width of the lid. Open the clay out, thinking about the final shape of the lid and the curve at the top. I'll trim the curve on the outside of the lid later, but I need to think about it now because I want the outside to match the inside. Bring up the walls to the height of the lid. So my lid has quite straight walls. I just smooth the walls over and then I'm ready to trim. Great, now I'm ready to wire through. So you measure the diameter of your lid. So now I'm ready to make the base. I take my second piece of clay, throw it down and center. Flatten the clay to a little under the final size of the dish. And now I open out, but just to the ridge that's going to hold the lid. Now, leaving a little clay for the ridge, I'm pushing down to create that outer indentation in the rim. And I form the rim. Remember to use your caliper measurement to make sure the lid is going to fit on the base. And adjust if necessary. Wire through and allow to dry to leather hard. So now we're ready to trim. So I'll start with the base. So I'm not going to trim a foot ring on the base. but I do want to make sure that it's convex and smooth. Now to trim the lid. So with the lid, I want the outside curve to match the inside curve. So I'm just rounding the edge down. And now I'm going to smooth the top for a tidy finish. Now I'm ready to add the handle. So I want to mark out where the handle is going to fit. I'm just scratching and scoring. So I've prepared a small amount of clay that I've rolled up into a small ball, and I'm just attaching that to the top of the butter dish. So now it's attached. Using minimal amount of water, I'm just centering the clay on the top of the butter dish. Once the clay on top is centered, we can push it down and start to shape into a handle. Once we're finished, remember to remove any excess water and then set aside to dry, fire and glaze. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to support this channel and like and comment below. Thanks for watching. It's much appreciated.